All right, we're going to talk about the yes-no exercises. This is a great way to loosen up the muscles in the back of your neck, and let's just get into how to do it. So you want to lay your foam roller out horizontally like this, and then aim for where your neck meets the base of your skull. So kind of right here in that joint line. So we're going to lay back, lay there on the soft muscle part as opposed to the hard bony part, and then go to about 45 degrees and nod our head yes. Just like that. And you want to do that for anywhere between 30 seconds to 2 minutes, just until you feel the change. And then we can switch sides. And then, so those are the yeses. Now the no's is where we go across the foam roller like this, as if we're shaking our head no. This is a good scanning and a good massaging tool. So if you find a good spot that's a little bit tight, maybe it's all the way over here, you can nod your head yes again. And if at any point you get sharp pain or you get any dizziness or anything like that, go ahead and stop or ease off the pressure, anything like that. But that's been yes, no's. Thank you.